Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at Luma AI and stable video diffusion. These two represent the two primary paths for AI video. One is a ready-to-use professional service and the other is a build-it-yourself open source engine. Luma AI is a polished cloud platform for cinematic realism, while stable video diffusion is a model created by Stability AI that users typically run on their own hardware or via a specialized developer tool. Now let's look at their core differences. When it comes to the core differences, it's like comparing the black box and the workbench. Luma AI is a black box. You give it a prompt and it gives you a finished product using their secret high-end technology. Stable video diffusion on its own is a workbench. That is, you can pull it apart, train it on your own face, and combine it with other tools like Comfy UI photo tool control. When we look at their hardware requirements, to use Luma AI, you only need a web browser, but to run SVD locally with decent speed, you need a high-end NVIDIA GPU, usually about 12GB plus VRAM. When we look at their consistency, Luma AI, specifically the RAID 3 model, is currently superior at understanding that a person turning around shouldn't lose their face or change clothes. SVD often struggles with morphing unless the user is highly skilled in prompting and parameter management. Now let's compare commercial and research. Luma AI provides clear commercial licenses in its paid tiers, while SVD was originally released under a non-commercial research license, though commercial versions like SVD XT are available via Stability AI's membership. Hope you understand the core differences between these two. See you in the next one.